Hey, what's good, my fans worldwide? Just gonna do a quick breakdown and analysis of some trades that I took today, resulting in profit. Let's go ahead and get started. So today I took 3 trades. First of all, we're gonna start on USD CAD. You look at the daily, rejection of sellers. Trap the price, remember, between 2 levels. You can move this daily level here if you want to. I've just kept it here. Trap the price between 2 levels. Rejection of buyers to push the price down, indicates potentially going up. Then we're going to the H4. Trap the price between 2 levels. Remember, price has to move between support and resistance. Price has to move between support and resistance. If it breaches resistance, it'll act as support and go up. If it breaches the support, it'll act as resistance and go down. That's the way price works. I only trade support and resistance. Resistance and support, that's all I trade. Let's not complicate it. H4, you trap the price. Why is this level marked? Because it's the most recent lower high. This is the most recent lower low. That's why these 2 levels are marked. We'll go ahead and break the price down further on the 1 hourly time frame. So this is the lower high from yesterday, so I've put this as the 1 level on the 1 hourly. It's marked in blue zone. The most recent lower low, which was 9 o'clock last night. 9 o'clock this morning. And then I've started to use this Fibonacci tool. Remember guys, this is a good tool to indicate where price is going. Hold it from here. You can hold it to the candle. I use it to the wick. If price breaches, you know where it's going, guys. If price breaches, it can go down. TP1 minus 61 would be the other TP, which is just below here. But it didn't breach. It rejected it, and it's going back up. So what happens? You look up for the lower high, and look where price moves from bearish to bullish. So you could enter here, but I like to see it engulf. So this bullish engulfing candle, that would have been a confirmation that the price is going bullish. Also, if you have a look on the RSI, you can see here it's gone up, so it would have been a good place to enter. So I entered just after this bullish engulfing candle. I went onto the M15 time frame. As you can see, I entered on this candle here. That one. That's a H1 engulfing candle. And M15, this was my entry. I put a stop loss here, so I've put this black line. This is where price could potentially retrace to, acting as a support region here. So the price could have potentially gone here before it moves up. So that's why my stop loss is here, just underneath. So if price does retrace, I'm still in the trade and it's gone up. As you can see, price reached this level here, which is, let's have a look, 22 pips profit on this trade that I took today. My target profit was originally here, 52 pips, but I seen this massive bearish candle, so I was like, you know what, I'm just going to close my profit. And as you can see, price retraced, but I closed the candle here, close the trade here. 22 pips trade on this in this one. Happy days, I'm happy with that. So yeah, that's my analysis on USD CAD without the trade. Next one we'll have a look at is GBP USD. Let's have a look at GBP USD. Look on the daily, price looks to be going up, which is bullish, which is fine. Go on H4. Trap the price between 2 levels. So I'm using this one, which is a previous higher low, and this is a higher high. These are the 2 zones. You trap the price between 2 levels. Remember, price can move between support and resistance. Price is always going to move between support and resistance. Trap the price further on H1. H1 is your analysis time frame. This is a time frame that I use when I'm on my laptop or just in the background on my computer or even on my phone if I'm out and about running errands. This is the chart that I'm looking at. So as you can see on the H4, there was a massive rejection. I thought, you know what, I'm going to enter this trade. If you look at the RSI, it's close to 70, indicates price is going down. So I went on H1 and I thought, you know what, I'm going to enter on this candle here. You've got your bearish engulfing candle, it engulfs the previous bullish candle. It's on a level, it's on a H4, it's also rejecting it on the H4 time frame, also on the H1. So I thought, you know what, price is going down. Confirmation from the RSI, you can see it's going down. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to enter this trade. M15 time frame, as you can see here, I'd say my stop loss was in good placement. My stop loss should have been a lot higher. I should have had my stop loss here, as you can see, this lower high, just in case price retraces. But I thought, that's a 25 pip stop loss, that's far too high. So to resume my capital, 13 pip stop loss. I know price could retrace, but I thought, you know what's worth the risk. Thankfully it didn't hit stop loss. Price ended up hitting my target profit of 30 pips. Look at that, simple as that. Massive engulfing candle. Price went on to hit the 100%, the H1 level, and it nearly went to the H4 level. So if I had my TP level as this one, could have made 61 pips. So to be honest, about 50 pips could have made. But I was happy with, I always trade H1 levels, so I was happy with that. And from this trade, banked 30 pips. So there you go, entered here on this candle, this one here, sorry, and then price went down. Look at that, in close a trade automatically. I didn't even have to enter, keep an eye on the charts for this one. It just hit my target profit, banked the pips, and as you can see, price is respecting the H4 levels and also the trend line. Look at that, it's still in the trend line, so price is going to be going up the next day. Remember, price has to move between support and resistance. Between support and resistance, also you got a trend line here as well, so you can expect it to do that, but we'll see how it plays out for next week. So yeah, that is my profit on GBP USD, 30 pips for that one. And the next trade that I took was I think that's it, to be honest. Oh, Euro JPY. Euro JPY, I thought, you know what, I'll take this trade. So the daily level, drop the price between two levels, so you got a higher low here and a higher high there. But then went onto the H4 time frame. Drop the price between two levels. So this is the most recent high low, where price moves from bearish to bullish. This high low, and this is the most recent higher high. Obviously there's a massive wick there, but I like to use the wicks instead of the candles here. So that is why I marked this zone in yellow. So yellow is H4. Then I went onto the H1 time frame. As you can see, H1 time frame is here. And this is the charts that I always look at in terms of my analysis. So if I get the Fibonacci tool out, I'm going to use it from this high low, the wick, all the way to the higher high. So what can I expect? If price breaches this level, I'll enter a buy trade for it to go up to minus 61, but it didn't, it rejected it. So as you can see, it was on a new daily level, and also H4 was there. Daily is in red, remember? H4 is yellow, and obviously my H1 zones are the blue. So I was like, you know what, let's have a look here. Bullish candle, massive rejection from the buyers on H1, by the way. I'm still on H1. Look at this bearish engulfing candle. I should have entered here. This is where I should have entered. That was at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock close. London session, UK time. I should have entered here, but I missed the trade. And I was like, you know what, it's going to retrace. Slight retracement, but it didn't go all the way up. I was expecting price to go up, and then I would have entered in this region here. Expect price to go down, but it didn't. It was slight retracement, then it went down. So I should have entered here. I entered late on this one. I entered on this engulfing candle, but thankfully the trade still ended in profit. So let's go and show you the M15. So I entered on this one here, this candle. I'll show you exactly which candle it was. So remember, we use a 15-minute time frame for the entries. So I entered on this candle here, this one, and stop loss and take profit was 40 pip target profit, and stop loss of 15. So target profit didn't hit, was nowhere close. So I ended up closing the trade around here. I made about 18 pips profit today on this one. Obviously I wanted it to be here, but I was monitoring this one because I wasn't sure if price would retrace, and it is now. But thankfully I got out the trade and I banked my pips at 20 pips, as you can see here. So as soon as I seen this candle, look at these rejections from the wicks. Large wicks show buyers are now into the market, pushing the price up, and so I'll close the trade. I will touch upon candlestick analysis so you can understand price a bit more in terms of what each candle represents, but right now I'm just showing you the breakdown from daily to H4 to H1, and then of course the empty time frame, which is M15, and trading support and resistance. But I will touch upon candlestick analysis in my later videos. I just haven't had a chance to do that at the moment. So there you go. I took three trades today, and 3 winning trades as well. So I made approximately 30, 22, 52. I made about 70 pips today, just from today. Another 70 pip day. So if you trade in £1 a pip, it's £700. And if you trade in £10 a pip, that's £7,000. £7,000 from trading 3 trades. Look, I've traded them right in front of you. I'm not doing anything special. I'm not overcomplicating it. You've seen me. I'm just doing it support and resistance. This is how Forex can change your life, guys. I'm trying to teach you. I'm trying to show you how simple it is. I'm not trying to, you know, make it some sort of complicated shit where you can't understand it. I'm breaking it down as much as possible. Whatever you see online, don't listen to the bullshit. Please don't listen to the bullshit. Don't give anyone your money. No one is trying to help you. This information is widely available for free. You've got to understand, those that are Forex traders, the majority are working in London in investment banking, or even New York, Wall Street. It's taken them 3 to 4 years at university studying it, and then they've gone an internship, and then they've gone to work on a trading floor. It takes you 5, 6, 7, 8 years to master this trade, but you've got to trust the process. This isn't a 3-month, a 6-month quick fix that you're going to be making thousands of pounds. You've got to trust the process. Look how comfortable I am with my analysis. This has taken me years of failure, years of tweaking my strategy, and now look, I'm trading just support and resistance, looking at candlesticks, and I'm aiming for about 50 to 100 pips a week. This week I've made more than 100 pips, I think. And I'm just trading my secondary indicator RSI. So yeah guys, I hope you like my analysis. Like, share and subscribe. I think I'm done for my weekly trading. I'm not going to trade tomorrow. Tomorrow's a Friday. I'm probably just going to chill out. I've got a lot of things to do. So my next video will be on the weekend, and then obviously we'll follow up on Monday if I take any trades. So thank you for your time, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace.